Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Am I audible to you all clearly? And have you done your homework?
Yes, sir.
So, do you remember what homework was given in the last class?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Do you remember what homework was given in the last class?
Yes, sir.
So, in the last class, I gave you a worksheet which we were discussing.
Sir, I was actually not able to do it, sir. I will complete it and send you the photo to your WhatsApp.
Okay. So, have you
Same here,
completed?
sir.
How much have you done?
Sir, I actually did not have the time, sir. I had a lot of schoolwork this week.
Okay.
Sir, I'm Rudra, sir. I did not do because I was having exams, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. So, let me open up the worksheet again and just say, now I think if you have done your homework, okay, so just share it. Yeah, Amatur, have you done?
Yes. Sir, now my school started fiction chapter, sir. Just ma'am gave a brief introduction.
Okay. Gagana. Okay, Gagana, no issues. Be present during in the class. Okay, and you can type if there is any requirement or anything. Okay, so let me see the homework first. Venkat, have you done?
No, sir. I was having exams.
Okay. Amatur, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So you can either send it through the WhatsApp or just show it. Let me see how much you have done. Okay. Wow, you have done completely. Fine. Very good. So just send it through the WhatsApp. I'll be checking it and then send it to you.
Okay.
Nyayika, Nyanika. Okay, you haven't any informed. Last year, what about you?
Yes, sir. I have. Sir, I
You
also
have
have to study the chapter, sir. I actually am studying a different syllabus, right, sir? So I have to go over the chapter.
done? Okay, no issues. Uh, who else is there? Pranava? Pranava? Pranav, have you done? See, Zubair, have you done the homework?
Yes, sir.
So, all of you, those who have done the homework, you can share it to me. Fine, I will be checking it. And also, today we'll be discussing one assignment from combustion and flame. So, we'll start discussing with combustion and flame. Okay, what are the different? Yes.
Was it actually homework? I was not able to understand. So we need to write the whole worksheet, sir.
What happened?
So the worksheet last week, like the last day, one have you given that whole worksheet we need to write.
Mhm. Yeah, you have to write the whole worksheet.
Okay. So we need to do also like we need to complete the whole worksheet.
Yeah, today we'll be completing a worksheet, not that one. We'll be doing a new worksheet from combustion and flame.
Yes, sir. That worksheet we need to today, like we need to complete total and we need to post it to you.
Yeah, actually, you're
Okay,
supposed
sir.
to do by today only.
Yes, sir.
So, see, without wasting time, we continue with the worksheet from combustion and flame. Okay, before that, is there any doubt from that chapter, combustion and flame?
No, sir.
No, okay. So see, we studied about the combustion and flame. We studied about how combustion occurs in solids, liquids, and gases. Which substances form flames and which substances do not form flames. The substances which can, there are certain substances which can burn, certain substances which cannot burn. Okay, let us see here. We have an assignment. So you just raise your hands. I will ask the person, and then we'll keep on adding your points. Also, keep your camera on. It looks nice to see all of you. Okay, here. So just keep your camera on. It seems that yes, someone is there in class. Otherwise, it looks like I'm just teaching myself. Yeah, Gautam, Varshit. Okay, Gautam, Bhavishya, Gagana. All of you keep your camera on. Okay, let's start with the first. See, I will be giving the opportunity to answer only to those whose cameras are on. Okay, and those whose cameras are off, I will inform through the group their names that your camera is off. Okay. So what are the characteristics of good fuel? Yeah, just raise your hands. What are the characteristics of good fuel? Okay, Nyanika, raise the hand first. Nyanika,
Sir, a characteristic of a good fuel is that it burns very easily. Like it will ignite very fast when the match is near it, sir.
what happens?
When a match or some source of flame is
Hmm.
near it, it will burn easily and it won't give out too much gas, um, any smoke. It won't give out too much smoke, sir. A good
Okay,
fuel.
okay. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Sir, like I have one or two points, sir. So good
Yeah.
fuel is also called as a clear fuel. Uh, this fuel can be used in the machines, in the vehicles.
Okay,
That's it.
and
And
Sir, it should be less polluting, sir.
yes, it is
see
less
whenever
polluted.
yes, yes. So very good. So see the characteristics of a good fuel is it should be less polluting. It should have a high calorific value. Okay. What do you mean by calorific value?
Like it should produce more heat, sir.
Yeah, it should produce large amount of heat, burn for small amount per kilogram of the fuel burnt. So the amount of heat produced per kilogram should be large. So that is the first characteristics of a good fuel. Okay. Then it should be non-polluting. It should
Sir,
be
it
easy
should
to
be
handle.
available easily, no, sir.
Yeah, what happened?
It should good fuel should be available around us, sir, and it should be cheap, sir.
It
To
should be
afford.
easily available. Yes. The fuel
And it
should
should
be
be little cheap, sir, for
it should be
affordable.
cheap. It should have a proper ignition temperature. That means the ignition temperature of the fuel should not the ignition
Come,
temperature of the fuel should not be very small, very low, and it should not be very high.
it should give a complete combustion, no, sir. Like it
Yeah,
should not leave any
yes,
unwanted.
yes. So here I list out all the characteristics of the fuel that we just discussed. So for answer one, yeah, characteristics of good fuel. So good fuel has a high calorific value. So good fuel has a high calorific value. Then It should have proper ignition temperature. It should be easy to handle. See, whenever I ask the answer, these should be the points. Okay, you should give me at least 4 to 5 points for it. So easy to handle, then it should be less polluting. Then any other thing that you think of characteristic of
Sir, more quantity.
what happened?
Sir, more quantity.
Yeah, it should be easily available and cheap. When you say more quantities, obviously fuel, if there is a fuel, you need to purchase it. Okay, and you can purchase in large quantities if it is cheap, and it will be cheap only when it is easily available. Okay. Anything else? Can you think of any other points? It's a good fuel, has a high calorific value, proper ignition temperature, easy to
Clear
handle.
fuel. The
Yeah.
clear fuel is different.
No, clean fuel. It should be clean.
Clean fuel and good fuel are same, sir.
Clean fuel and
Good fuel.
good fuel.
Yes.
See,
Are
good,
both of-
good means what are the characteristics that suits us? Okay, so your answer one will carry these points. A good fuel has a high calorific value, proper ignition temperature, easy to handle, and less polluting, easily available, should be easy, should be cheap, it should be a clean fuel. So these are the characteristics of a good fuel. Now we list out what are the ill effects due to the increasing combustion of fuel. So what are the ill effects, that is bad effects of increasing combustion of a fuel?
Sir, may burn the objects near like surrounded around.
What will be
Sir, I have a point, sir.
Pollutes the air
The
more.
first question, I have
Yes.
a point, sir.
It pollutes the air, sir, more.
okay? So more combustion means more pollution. So increase in pollution. Any other thing? Global warming. Any other factors that you can think of?
Acid rain, sir.
Okay, acid rain. Any other thing? If you think any other point that can be there as ill effects.
Respiratory problems, sir. Respiratory problems.
Respiratory problems, no, sir.
Okay,
Like
increase in respiratory problems. That is
Burning.
again
Overburning the fuel.
okay.
Respiratory
Can we?
problems.
Okay, can we also call it like decrease in
the
the
damage
quantity
of
of fuel?
ozone layers.
Yeah, that's all. We have increase in pollution, global warming, acid rain, right? So that that ozone depletion is not due to combustion. Ozone depletion is due to CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. Okay.
So health issues.
Yeah, obviously health issues. Which health issues?
Sir, breathing issues.
Chronic
Respiratory.
disease, sir. Chronic diseases, sir.
Okay, what are chronic diseases?
It includes respiratory problems, heart attacks, and a lot more about like it includes bigger diseases compared to others, sir.
Sir,
See,
sir,
see,
if
you
there is
have
acid, sir, if
Okay.
there is fuel on the road,
okay. I
even
think we
cars
are,
might slip, sir.
So
Okay, I
one
think-
point where I say
yeah. Just speak up.
Sir, like impacts of environmental damage.
Yeah, environmental we have included. So I think these are sufficient
Sir,
points.
if there
Yes.
is fuel also, the cars might slip, sir.
Okay, I'm coming to the next question. I think we have completed these questions sufficiently. Okay, today I'll be telling you these words as I think erase the word chronic. Okay, understand the word acute and chronic. Okay, see chronic and acute. Acute means a disease which lasts for about a few days, a week, okay, or about 15 days. Whereas chronic diseases are the diseases which last longer and they leave a great impact on our life. Our life is affected adversely throughout that means there is an effect of that disease on our life, on the remaining part of the life. So such diseases are called as chronic diseases. For example, suppose you had a fever, you had suppose you had cough. So these are acute diseases. They can be cured within a week, within 15 days. Okay. Suppose someone has TB. Suppose someone has a disease like polio. So
Cancer.
such diseases, they are going to impact their life for throughout their life. So those are the chronic diseases. Got the difference between acute and chronic?
Means short-term diseases, chronic means long-term diseases such as cancer, sir.
Yeah, cancer is a chronic disease. Okay. Now see, we'll write down question 3 and 4. Okay, just look up for question 3 and 4. Question 4 is very important. Okay, I would like to see the hear the answer for question 3 and 4. Write any two ways in which we can conserve fossil fuels.
Sir, we should not overuse it, sir. Sir?
Yes.
Sir, we should not overuse it, no, sir. Like, we should not use it more and more and more, sir.
So why? Okay, overuse. Okay, stop the overuse.
We should save for the future generation.
How can we say?
Like, we should
Write
use
any
it
two
in a
ways in
limited
which we can
amount, sir.
conserve fossil fuels.
We should leave it. We should use it in a limited amount, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, we should reduce the use of fossil fuels.
See, we should find an alternative to the fossil fuels.
Renewable energy, sir.
Yeah, we should find the alternative. See, if there is a need, we require energy. For example, you require electricity at your home. You require AC to run. Okay, so you can't live without energy. So there is a continuous requirement of energy. So you need to burn coal in thermal power plants to produce energy. So what are the ways by which we can conserve it? So one is that we should try
Sir,
to find.
improve of
Yes.
energy efficiently.
What happened?
Sir, improve energy efficiently.
Yeah, use energy efficient. So the first one is we should try to find alternate energy sources. For example, we are working on solar energy.
Sir, we should not keep the car on for a lot of time, sir, if you're not using any vehicle.
Yes, yes. So here alternate source is solar energy in which all the governments are working. Then as the second point, we should use energy efficiently.
Sir, and we should get if there is any leaks of fuel from vehicles, we should also make them get fixed, sir.
Yeah, reduce energy wastage. Yes, any other thing?
Sir, driving at constant speed.
Yeah, just be louder and be closer to the mic. Varshit,
Sir, driving at constant speed.
Dealing and
Sir, driving at constant speed.
yeah, driving at constant speeds. Very good. He remembers the point. Which organization makes it? PCRA. For India, it is PCRA. So driving at constant speed, these are the different ways. However, we have to list only two ways. We have listed here four ways of reducing the, or that is the ways by which we can conserve the fossil fuels. Then just look up at question number 2. Why it is dangerous? Why is it dangerous to burn coal in a closed room?
Sir, because when we burn coal,
Then
the
you will get suffocated, sir. You will get
uses up
suffocated.
the oxygen in the room, sir, which turns into carbon monoxide, sir, which harms our respiratory system, sir.
Okay, anyone
So,
else?
then will be suffocated, sir.
Okay, how will we get suffocated?
Sir, it releases
So,
carbon monoxide and
Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, which are very dangerous to our respiratory system and which
No,
leads to many problems.
the point
Sir,
is not carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Anyone, I want a clear point here. There is a hidden point. I want
Sir,
from someone.
the oxygen is used up, sir, while
you will lack
burning.
of
Yeah,
oxygen,
what?
sir.
The oxygen is used up
Lack?
while
Lack of
burning.
oxygen.
Yes, yes.
Lack of
So if we
oxygen.
burn coal, very good. So yeah, if we burn coal in a closed room, if we burn coal in a closed room,
Sir, there will be more
all
flames.
the, yeah, what happened?
Sir, there will be more flames if we burn coal in a closed.
So all the oxygen present in room will get exhausted.
sir, how will they get exhausted, sir? Like, where will they go?
See, any fuel requires oxygen for burning. So burning means it's reaction or combination with oxygen, right? So
Sir,
when coal is
understood.
burning in that room, it is using up the oxygen of the room. Okay. So oxygen from the room is getting exhausted, and there will be an increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Okay. Also, there will be an increase in concentration of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Okay. Therefore, people sleeping may have silent death. So silent death means they won't come to know and they will die down. So those people who are sleeping over there in such rooms, they will die down.
Sir, some people they will burn coal, sir, so that mosquitoes will not come.
What will happen?
Some people, when they're sleeping, they will burn coal, sir, so that mosquitoes will not come. But it is dangerous to them, sir.
Okay. So that's why it is very dangerous to burn coal in closed rooms. Also question 5 and 6. Differentiate between complete combustion and incomplete combustion.
Sir, combustion
Okay.
is when
Yes.
I still have last year.
when the object
Yeah, one
when
time. Just one person at a time. I'm calling the names now. Okay. This is also an important question. Difference between complete combustion and incomplete combustion. Okay, so I wanted to ask from Sreshta, but Sreshta's camera is off, so I'll not ask her. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Sreshta, can you answer? Differentiate between complete combustion and incomplete combustion.
So when all the all the three layers of the flame is there, it's called a complete combustion.
What happened? Pardon again?
So can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible.
So when all the three layers of the flame is there, it's called a complete combustion.
When all the three layers of flame are there, right? Are you talking like that?
Yeah.
No, we don't generally talk of like that. See, there will always be all the three layers. There will always be. But some layer will be present in a smaller amount, some layer will be present in greater amount.
Sir, can I?
Uh, just let me see the hands which has been raised.
Sir, I'm Rudra, can I?
I
Yes,
am
Rudra.
last, yeah.
Yes, Rudra, continue.
Sir, complete combustion means when a fuel burns in sufficient amount of air or oxygen, sir. Then the combustion is known as a complete combustion, sir. Sir, carbon dioxide, heat, and light are products of complete combustion, sir.
Okay. So complete combustion is when fuel burns
In sufficient amount of air or oxygen,
in sufficient supply of oxygen.
it is known as complete combustion, sir.
Okay.
Sir, carbon dioxide, water, heat, and light are the products of complete combustion.
What are the products of complete combustion?
Sir, carbon dioxide, heat and light, and water.
Okay, very good. So when fuel burns in sufficient of supply of oxygen, it is called complete combustion.
Yes, sir.
Then what is in okay? How I think now you can answer what is incomplete combustion. Can you give me the difference between can you give me the difference between complete and incomplete combustion?
Sir, in incomplete combustion, when fuel burns in insufficient amount of air or oxygen, sir, it is known as incomplete combustion, sir. Sir, and the difference between complete and incomplete combustion are, in complete combustion, we'll get carbon dioxide, water, heat, and light, sir. And in incomplete combustion, we get carbon monoxide, soot, water, heat, and light are the main products of incomplete combustion, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, in which one of them, in complete combustion or in incomplete combustion, where will you find out uh, smoke? A smoke will be produced in complete combustion or incomplete combustion.
Sir, incomplete combustion.
Incomplete combustion, sir.
Yeah. So whenever a fuel burns in incomplete combustion, then smoke is produced. Okay. Whereas if there is complete combustion, then there is no smoke produced. Smoke is not produced when there is complete combustion.
Sir, can you list the products of complete and incomplete combustion, sir?
Okay, products of complete combustion. See,
Yes, sir.
so for complete combustion, we get the products as carbon dioxide, water, heat, and light. For the incomplete combustion,
We will get carbon monoxide, sir.
yeah, incomplete, you will be getting carbon, you will be getting carbon monoxide, you will be
And
getting
carbon-
carbon dioxide, you will be getting water, heat, and light.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So clear about now complete and incomplete? Yeah, what happened?
Yes.
So now I think everyone is clear with complete and incomplete combustion.
For incomplete combustion, we will also get carbon dioxide, sir.
Okay, see, calorific value will not do. Calorific value is not there in your course. How is acid rain caused? So, who will explain? How is acid rain caused?
Sir, may I?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how is
Sir,
acid
acid
rain?
rain is caused by the excess amount of burning, the excess amount of burning of coal and petroleum fuels. They release many types of chemicals, so it causes acid rain.
No, sir.
So
No,
like
sir.
when
Acid rain is caused by greenhouse gases.
No, sir. Acid rain is caused when we burn a fuel, sir. Like it
sir, I
releases
told
sulfuric
you very fuel,
acid
sir.
and
Okay. See.
carbon.
Okay. Now see my answer. See now all of you will learn this, and if I ask it in the next class, you should be able to answer for this. Okay. So acid rain, it is caused by, see, acid rain is caused due to sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and nitrogen dioxide gases. So these are the gases which cause acid rain. So when these gases will be released into the Earth's atmosphere, they combine with water to cause acid rain. No carbon dioxide is responsible for acid rain. These are the gases which are responsible for acid rain: sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so these are the gases which are responsible for acid rain. They combine with water to form acids. Sulfur dioxide combines with water. So sulfur dioxide combines with water. This is our sulfur dioxide. It combines with water to form sulfurous acid. Okay, so it combines with water to form sulfurous acid H2SO3 or sulfuric acid H2SO4. Will you be able to remember their names and formula? H2SO3 is sulfurous acid. This is sulfurous acid. And H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. Nitrogen oxide and nitrogen dioxide, they together constitute and make nitric acids. So nitric acid is highly dangerous. It is also, its formula is HNO3, nitric acid. Okay. So these gases, they make these acids in the Earth's atmosphere. When these acids are created, so these acids, they turn into, or they are dilute as their concentration increases, so they fall as acid rain. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Bye,
sir.
all of you. See you again in
Bye.
next class, and be ready with your assignment, whatever assignment is sent to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.